Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, tires, rear all-season, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires, front all-season, variable speed, intermittent wipers, backup camera, Bluetooth. Your new ride is just a phone call away.